वर्ल्ड से।
नमस्कार जोहार। तो आज है 12 मई, तो आज है इंटरनेशनल नर्सेस डे। तो आज हम लोग मना रहे हैं नर्सेस डे। तो आप लोग वीडियो में बने रहिएगा और देखते रहिएगा।
And my dear friends, good morning to everyone. Today, as we celebrate International Nurses Day, I am deeply honored to stand before you as a nursing student to give a speech on International Nurses Day 2026. Nursing is not merely a profession, it's a calling, a dedication to serve, comfort and heal. This day is celebrated every year on 12th May. It is the birthday of Florence Nightingale, the founder of modern nursing. She is also called the lady with lamp, during Crimean War, because she would visit soldiers at night. She dedicated herself to caring the sick and improving hospital conditions. Her work saved many lives and made nursing an important job. Florence Nightingale believed in cleanliness, good hygiene, and proper care for patients, and she received many honors for the contribution of healthcare. On this day, we respect and thank all nurses for their hard work and service. Nurses are very important in hospital and clinics. They take care of sick and injured people with love, patience, and kindness. They help doctors during treatment and support patients day and night. Nurses also give emotional support to families during difficult times. The theme of International Nurses Day 2026 is Our Nurses, Our Future. Empowered nurses save lives. The theme tells us that when nurses are educated, respected, and supported, they can save more lives. Empowered nurses work with confidence and provide better healthcare to everyone. They are the heroes of society. On this special day, let us promise to support and appreciate nurses for their selfless work. So let us continue to stand united, soldier to soldier, as we navigate the challenges ahead and pave the way for a brighter their future. ओ प्यारी नर्स, तुम करती सेवा का दान हो, इस विपदा की घड़ी में तुम साथ हो, कर रही तुम सबका इलाज हो, इस धारा पर तुम महान हो, कर रही तुम सबका इलाज हो, इस धारा पर तुम महान हो, जो करती सभी की सेवा हुआ नर्स हो तुम महान, तुम्हारे कर्तव्यों की मेरा बार बार प्रणाम, तुम्हारे कर्तव्यों की मेरा बार बार प्रणाम. हैप्पी नर्सेस डे. थैंक यू.
Thank you, Asma Didi, for your wonderful speech.
करते हैं हम गीतों के ताल में, संगीतों के सुर में, दिल के उद्गारों के संग करते हैं हार्टी वेलकम. दिल के उद्गारों के संग करते हैं हार्टी वेलकम. स्वागत तेरा करते हैं हम गीतों के ताल में, संगीतों के सुर
that's what makes nurses set apart. Salute to every nurse today who heals the world in every. So now I welcome first year students for their skit to show the journey of Florence Nightingale. Please.
By gaping over the fingers of lady with the lamp, Florence Nightingale. Let's peep into her journey through the amazing performance by first year. William and Fancy Nightingale was blessed for the very second time with a baby girl born with golden heart in Italy. On 12 May 1820, named the Florence Nightingale. Considered that she received divine call to help needy.
Father teaching Florence today about those three kings from the Middle East at the time of Jesus' birth.
Good, my child. Tomorrow I will teach you about.
Did you hear Mr. and Mrs. Smith is very sick and be communicable disease. No one is willing to treat them.
Stop, Florence. Where the hell are you going?
Mother, did you hear about Mr. and Mrs. Smith? They are.
Yes, I did. How does even it bother you?
I just want to help them.
You are too small to help them. Get back to your studies now.
No, stop, Mother. I really want to help them. Please, Mother. Florence escaped to care them.
If she find happiness in helping, let her be. I have found out that the disease is not contagious.
And Florence's affection and concern for every breathing organism grew day by day. At the age of 17, Florence Nightingale acknowledged her family about her will to furnish her nursing skill from the mankind. Mother having tea. Knock, knock. Come in.
To be a nurse.
What? What do you mean? By that you want to be nurse?
That not possible. We are strictly opposing it.
That to divert you from household and meaning? We thought that just a hobby.
That not happening, you foolish.
Please, Mother, I always want to be one. Please permit me. I could never let you down.
Okay, my little girl, we are giving a chance. If something lets us down, you will be rushed back to household.
In 1841, Florence visited Lutheran Hospital of Germany. Student nurse 4 years. Deep passes and skill evolved more and more.
The air filled with
Soldier.
Sister, we are dying in pain. Sister, we want to live. Please, save us, sister. We are having small children back at home.
You will leave, I will treat. We are here to nurse you. Nurse, came with me. In a gonging of soldiers. Soon, hospital filled into a filthy one filled with rotten smell.
Sister, sister, where are? Why are you so worried?
Just checking over the patient, Mary, whether they need any help or not.
Sister, will we able to leave or not?
Yes, of course you will.
It does not seem. We are losing count day by day. You are just giving us false belief to trust one. Please, save us, sister. We beg you.
How dare you misbehave with her? She is working day and night just to save you.
Hospital is this one. Fields are everyone. Air filled with smell of rotten egg.
Stop, you fool.
No, Mary, don't stop them. They are absolutely right. Let's try something different like washing hand, providing clean environment, clean water, proper ventilation.
A big chance, changes soldiers were released on foot and enclosed by coffin. A new generation of nursing evolved by hand of Lady with Lamb, the Florence Nightingale.
The journey of Florence Nightingale, which was so inspiring. Thank you.
यहाँ पे उपस्थित डायरेक्टर मैम, प्रिंसिपल मैम, सभी स्टाफ और नॉन टीचिंग स्टाफ और सभी स्टूडेंट्स, सभी को हैप्पी नर्सेस डे। यहाँ पे हम लोग जैसा इकट्ठा हुए हर साल के भांति नर्सेस डे मनाने के लिए, जो कि फ्लोरेंस नाइटिंगेल के बर्थ पे मनाया जाता है। यह जो है 1953 में स्टार्ट हुआ था मनाने के लिए। जैसा हम लोग देखते हैं कि हम लोग सुनते हैं नर्सेस जो है हॉस्पिटल्स के बैकबोन्स होते हैं। तो बैकबोन्स तो होते हैं सेवा और समर्पण। तो समर्पण से ही जो है एक भावना आती है कि जब हम सेवा करेंगे तो उसमें विश्वास जगेगा और पेशेंट्स जो है हमें लगेगा कि हाँ, इनके पास हम सही जगह आए हैं। और वो तभी आ पाएगा जब हमारे अंदर पूर्ण समर्पण होगा, क्योंकि सेवा तो बहुत कोई करते हैं, लेकिन समर्पण जो है उसमें एक अलग चीज़ जोड़ता है। क्योंकि समर्पण से जो हम पूरी तरह जो है उसमें उतर कर पूरी तरह से अच्छे से सेवा कर सकते हैं। जैसे अगर हम लोग जैसे मना रहे हैं फ्लोरेंस नाइटिंगेल का बर्थडे और इसी पे हम नर्सेस डे भी मना रहे हैं, तो जो उन्होंने जो किया है, जो भी उन्होंने समर्पण से सेवा की, अपने से ऊपर उठकर समाज के प्रति सोचा, देश के प्रति सोचा, तभी उन्होंने आज हम लोग उनका बर्थ मना रहे हैं। अदरवाइज़ हम लोग यहाँ पे इकट्ठा नहीं होते। तो अपने से ऊपर अगर हम उठेंगे तभी कुछ कर पाएंगे। और इसी के साथ हम लोग बोलेंगे कि आप लोग अच्छे से सीखें, सभी स्किल्ड हो, एम्पावर्ड हो। एम्पावर्ड तो तभी होंगे जब स्किल्ड होंगे। तो स्किल्ड होने के लिए आप लोग को डिसिप्लिन होना होगा, सीखना होगा, उसको सीखने की इच्छा रखनी होगी और जो भी ड्यूटीज़ हैं उसको अच्छे से निर्वहन करना होगा। तो हम लोग आपसे यही आशा करते हैं कि आप लोग अच्छे से सीखेंगे, पढ़ेंगे और अपने ड्यूटीज़ को समझते हुए उसको निर्वहन करेंगे। धन्यवाद।